Rita, this one not be saga again. I just come here, come advise you as a sister, as a small sister when I be, because I know say if you quit born, you for don't born my mates. Yes, this one I just small advice to you. All those judgeability when you they do so, my dear, please, because I know say now Deutschland me and you there. I know say they get too much money like that. You understand me? I beg, make you gather the money now. Your mama and your papa still there alive. Oh. Please, may you try carry one of them come. Even though say you know coffee still carry them come. Carry your children go Nigeria. Make your mama and your papa see their grandchildren. Shey you say you be first child of your mother, of your parents. You are a first daughter. So try, make you carry your children, go Nigeria, make your mama and your papa bless them as their first child. You understand me? And secondly, make you try gather money because you don't know Kokobiri, Zimbabwe land. Make you try, make una travel. Travel this summer, next year summer holiday or this December. Make una try go Zimbabwe. Make you still go know where you for marry. Please. It's very, very important because if they talk about marriage, not only you want to look at pass. Not only you are local for that thing called marriage, because you don't know where you for marry. You don't know where Kokobiri for come. Nothing where you know about that place. Nothing. I mean, nothing. You never go. You don't know Kokobiri mama. You don't know his sister. You don't know anything concerning. You don't know whether na spirit now you get for her as a husband. My dear, make you go. Go with your kids. Go with your children. And the same thing, carry your children to Nigeria.
Hello, my people. Now, good evening. Now, me Cynthia Family TV. I see video just now where Sister Rita post for her page just now. Concerning she the video, a fridge, waiting she buy. Mona no vessel, Sister Rita. You see, now after now you will say I no get respect. You see, I still call you sister. Oh, I tell you say we know the quarrel. You understand? Now advice I just they give you sometimes because you see they give people advice for your page. The time where your fridge come outside, where people come they screenshot your fridge say you not get anything. My sister, you not do video that time, oh, may you can't prove to the world say na live that they talk. Oh. So it took you 2 months to gather money, go do shopping for your house before you can't do video. Shame on you. It took you 2 months. Upon not, people still gather money for you. Oh. People still send you money. Because, okay, that the fridge where people come the screenshot where empty, where that, why you not show us that one, say that one jobs they empty, na place, now you they keep for there. Because obviously, we see and say fridge empty. And you not show us. Sister Rita, where that fridge where empty, where people, where me even see where the screenshots. Because the one where people come they show now, the one where you show by yourself, nah. Okay, something there, you buy something, but it took you 2 months to make shopping. I first tell you, see, if I return now, to say maybe na lie, they lie. It's not easy like that for Deutschland, especially if you made with your husband, if you made with your boyfriend. It's not easy.
Now, this is what some of us they do, because also will be nice. When I stop that play, I beg. Who shall be nice? Some of them not right for Nigeria, and some will be nice. I mean, if it be us just be like advanced abadante, but you work for hospital. Like me, I dey clean hospital. See my Carello, see my equipment. Who try say you be nurse? Nurse without. When I stop that play, oh. Not too funny for this herb. Mamma mia. See, I'm a cleaner. Proud of that. Who shall be nurse? Wanna stop, oh. Wanna stop. See my card, my Timbra card.